Hi guys, welcome to topic 1.4 Project and Strategic Planning. At the beginning of every project, we have a couple of questions to answer. How will we execute our project and in a way that it satisfies the stakeholders? How will we define scope, objectives, and results of a project? The answer to each of these questions fills in your project management strategy or your project plan. There's a big difference between the project plan and a strategic plan. Project plan is more project focused. Strategic plan is an overview or an eagle's eye that we keep on these projects. Let's look at the difference between the strategic plan and the project plan. Strategic plan basically is the how of a project. It's a high level plan where we have the key inputs from the stakeholders. It helps identify the tools and resources to ensure project is on time and on budget. It is basically more of a support system to the project, and thereby it helps you meet the project goals. Project plan, on the other hand, is more of a task list. It is the what of a project. What is required in terms of project approvals, project plans, how is it done? Is there a clearance from all the stakeholders? Are we ready to go for the execution process? Who does what? Basically, this is where you distribute the responsibility between the teams. When things will happen, this will give you a direction of the schedule of the project and confirm when finally the project can be delivered. Now that we know the difference between strategic plan and project plan, let us understand in the first place, why do we need a strategic plan? Strategic plan is a dynamic document that details your company's present situation, outlines future plans, and shows you how the company can get there. This provides transparency and clarity for your entire team and your stakeholders. It helps define your conflicts will be resolved. That means if you have a proper communication with your stakeholders and you can satisfy their questions or queries, you are able to resolve all the conflicts. Once the conflicts are resolved and you have eliminated all the ambiguity, it helps you keep the project on track, on time and on budget. Once you are able to achieve this, that is, keep the project on track, what you are doing effectively is you are preventing any wastage of the budget and your project will not fall behind deadlines. Now that you know why we need a strategic plan, let us look at how to write one. Strategic plan can be written only when you can have an answer to these three sets of questions. Where are we now? Where are we going? And how will we get there? As you think about where your organization is now, you want to look at your foundation elements. Take a look at your current position. We have a project in hand. Are we ready in all aspects to deliver the project? Take a review of your mission statement that describes the purpose, the very purpose why your organization is in existence. The core values and the guiding principles. Core values basically is what your company stands for, and the guiding principles are basically what you believe in. The next comes the industry analysis. This is more like a SWOT analysis. This is about your strengths, weaknesses, your opportunities and threats. So what you need to do is you need to build on your strengths. You need to show all your weaknesses. You need to capitalize on the opportunities, and you need to recognize the threats. Once you have all these clear, you are ready to go into the next level, which tells you where are we going. The answer to this question helps you identify the goals. It also helps you to achieve your vision statement. The vision statement basically emphasizes on the organization's future. It also answers the question to what's happening internally and externally within the organization. What needs to change? First of all, are there any changes? And if yes, have we incorporated them? The last on the list is the factors necessary for success. Once we list down all these factors, we are now ready to go into the third stage and answer the third important question. How do we get there? The answer to this question outlines the route you can take to achieve your vision. The vision basically is the organization's future. We can take the help of using a Gantt chart. The Gantt chart helps you map out and keep track of the organization's plans. Then you come to specific and measurable goals. These are short-term goals that help you strategize objectives into specific performance targets. Then you have the long-term goals or the long-term objectives. These help convert your mission into vision. Then it is followed by an execution plan. Basically, it tells you who manages and monitors the progress. Finally, we have one more question to answer, and that is the evaluation plan. Basically, you need to measure your success and your setbacks. Once you have an answer to all these three questions, you have already listed down points to write down your strategic plan. Guys, this brings you to the end of topic 1.4. Thank you.